Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 Panavan Commerce Pro short wheelbase TDI 8-speed automatic, presented in that stunning mid-blue metallic paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 170 PS power output. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. Here we have your 17-inch Le Mans alloy wheels in glossy black. And moving on to the front of the vehicle, dotted along your front bumper are your colour coordinated front parking sensors, which can also be located on your rear bumper for your colour coordinated rear parking sensors, along with the rear view camera allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle in all types of surroundings. And now opening the tailgate reveals ample of floor space within this transporter, where we have lighting located at the top to increase visibility. Also dotted in multiple areas are some lashing points assisting with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads, and here we just get another angle of the rear of the van from your passenger side sliding door. And now we get to our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls, electronically controlled wing mirrors, and on entry you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we'll touch on later on in the video, your single passenger seat along with your driver's seat there. Both have armrests located at either side to increase comfort on all long and short journeys. And as we pan back around the dashboard, we have additional storage compartments for any smaller personal belongings, along with a couple of drink holders. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel, we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed and also increase and decrease your speed. And to the right, we have your voice activation control. Moving on to the center console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with a digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favorite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. Quick look now at App Connect, where you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlists, and Google Maps navigation. Here's your front and rear parking sensors, along with that rear view camera, allowing for extra safety when reversing or parking this vehicle. We also have your electronically controlled air conditioning system, where you also have the controls to your passenger and driver heated seats. And once again, panning back around the dashboard, we get another angle of them smaller storage compartments, perfect for storing any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you.